In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use aggregates in Tableau Prep. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to successfully aggregate data using Tableau Prep Builder, enhancing your data analysis capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, by the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly manage and use aggregates in your data preparation workflow. First, let's start with opening the Tableau Prep Builder. This is your main platform for data preparation and aggregation and can be downloaded from Tableau's official website if you haven't done so already. Once you have it installed, open the application to begin. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in, so have your Tableau account credentials on hand. This is an important step you don't want to skip because logging in gives you full access to the software's features and your saved data projects. With Tableau Prep Builder open and ready, the next step is connecting to your data. You'll see an option to Connect to Data. Simply click on that. You'll then need to select the type of data source you're working with. Common options include text files, Excel spreadsheets, databases, and more, allowing you to import a wide variety of data formats depending on your project needs. For our purposes, let's proceed with selecting a text file. Select your desired file from your device and click Open. This will import your data into Tableau Prep, setting the stage for you to work on it. With your file open and data visible, you'll want to navigate through your Tableau Prep flow. Look for the plus icon. It's a small but crucial step to enable you to add new actions to your workflow. Click on the plus icon and choose Aggregate. This selection inserts a new aggregate step into your flow, acting as the basis for the aggregation task we're about to perform. Now let's delve into configuring this aggregation step. At this stage, you'll be looking at the configuration pane of the aggregate step. This is where you'll define how you want your data to be grouped and what fields you want to aggregate. Begin by dragging fields into the Grouped Fields section. These are the fields by which you'll group your data. Next, consider the fields that you wish to aggregate, like sales or quantity, and drag these into the Aggregated Fields section. Once you've done that, each of these aggregated fields can be customized further. Click on each field to choose the aggregation type, such as sum, count, average, min, or max, depending on what suits your data analysis needs. After completing the aggregation setup, you're ready to move towards publishing your work. Confirm everything looks good, and then click on Publish. Congratulations, you've successfully created an aggregate in Tableau Prep. This powerful feature now allows you to streamline your data processing for improved insights and decision-making. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering aggregates in Tableau Prep. Happy data prepping!